Alright, so I'm going to try to show you how to do some moves and copies. I would like for this thing to keep this window on top. I don't know how to do it, so it may go away, but I usually drag it off to the side. Alright, so the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to just use you start up, you get one of these people here at the first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a line. Where's the guideline? This guy. So the way I just double click on these guys, you can see you've got two lines there, right? All right, so let's click this. See how it's moving in space, but we want it to move along the red axis. And let's just say 2 feet. So I'm typing in 2 feet. You should watch down here when I do this. So put him back. See this black versus red means he's parallel to this red axis. All right, so 2 feet. All right, let's move this one here. Should we click this? We're going to move him parallel to the green axis. So it's black, it's green. We're going to do him 2 feet as well. Look down the lower right, it says 2 feet. All right, let's click this person. Let's do the move tool. All right, so we're going to move like, I don't know why it's I guess that's their feet. They've got that endpoint. Let's move that to the origin. And let's say we want to place one here. All right, so we're on move. Let's just say that we wanted to move her to that place, right? So right there, online, zoom in. Come on. Where's the intersection? It's online, not the intersection. Let me see something for a second. This thing. It's there. Okay. Let's do this again. There we go. Now it's doing intersection. So hopefully that center, the endpoint is on the intersection. All right, so that's just a regular move. Let's put it back. See how the cursor that I'm moving is just a move tool, kind of matches that. Watch what happens when I hold the plus key. I hit the option key and then let it back up. And this is on a Mac, right? So let's go back to that endpoint. It's now a plus sign. Get the origin. And come on. Let's try that again. Get the origin. We didn't do the plus sign, endpoint. Here we go. There it's on the intersection. And so it literally put it right where we wanted it. And it's 2 feet by 2 feet. So this is what's square root 3 or something like that. I can remember. So anyway, so now let's say you wanted to make it that same spacing, and let's say 4. I think that will make 3. So let's do 4x. So it made a total of 4 because we put 1. Now is there other 3 to make 4? Right. That's the only thing different is after you've placed it, type the total number, and it's 1 less, right? All right, so let's do this. show how you do it with the rotate tool. So let's say we want to rotate around this point. Let's make 4 of them. We'll do like 90 degrees. So there is this protractor tool. That's not what you want. There is this rotate tool here. All right. So the first thing I want to do before I do this, because I think you've got to select it first, then hit the rotate. We're going to go to the intersection. Wait till it, and we're going to, well, we'll do the same thing. We'll show it rotating, and then we'll show rotating with copies. So I'm not going to hit the plus sign, just click there. I'm going to draw over to the point that I want to rotate that by. So that's that same endpoint there. And I'm going to start moving it. Let's say I want to go this way, and I'll do 90 degrees. See down in the lower right, it moves it over 90. Right. All right, so let's do this where we hold the Option key down. You see there's a plus sign there. Okay. All right, on the intersection, drag it back over to the endpoint. Origin, okay. 90 degrees. And we want 3 total because we want to get 1 in each place, so 3x to make the 4 corners. Now if we rotate around, they're in those positions. Groovy. All right.